Welcome to Haiti. Hello, my name is Valérie Louis. I'm the owner and creative director of Yael et Valérie. We hope that you enjoyed this little tour of our Haitian garden. It is to show you the foundation of our color palette, which is mostly inspired by our tropical nature. So this is my office from home, where all of our collections are showcased in fabrics. We also have some models of our home accessories, everything surrounded in 4 elements that really boost my creativity. The color white, which is for me the beginning of creativity. Black, which is the finality of creativity. Brown, because it's the mix of all the other colors. And finally, metal, because it reminds me of the Haitian artisans' creativity. So the second part of our designs is based on Haiti's culture. Haiti was born in 1804. It is actually the first country where the rebels fought and won against a metropole. And because of that, we were totally excluded from the world. Therefore, we had to create our own identity, the Haitian identity. And this identity is reflected in the authenticity of our culture. That is the reason why we have our own art, our own architecture, language, gastronomy, dance, music. So this is the magical world that we invite you to discover in our products, a world viewed through the feminine lenses of my daughter, Yael, and myself.
My name is Magali Noël-Dresse. I'm the CEO of Caribbean Craft, a company based in Port-au-Prince, Haiti. My life mission is to help women of this country rise up by showing the world the unique craftsmanship that is not known enough. What makes me really proud is that this is a company that focuses on inclusion. And Caribbean Craft is about sharing not only knowledge, but also the contacts and the accounts that we can bring down to Haiti and make unique opportunities for everybody.
Hi, I'm Felicia, the artist, the designer behind the Veve Collections brand. I've been inspired by the Veve diagrams, which is a legacy that I find in the tradition of voodoo, the cultural value that we have here. I'm pretty much inspired also by our paintings, dance. I use a lot of colors in my work, which are part of our traditional values here. Because if you see our music, our dance, our painting, we use a lot of colors. And of course, we are in the Caribbean.
My name is Natalie Tancreed, and I work with artisans to create market links with the market. Through all the hardship, we are still standing. My clients like to work with Haitian artisans because they appreciate the authenticity of the artwork, and also they are finding the craft to be very unique and special depending on the material that they are using, whether it's the metal, the horn and bone, paper mache, leather, or anything else. The Haitian artisans just have that special flair They bring the soul of the country in the work.
Là, dans le village artistique de Noailles, c'est le espace atelier Serge Jolimo. Atelier Serge Jolimo, c'est un atelier qui forme à peu près 5 à 6 générations. Les produits que vous regardez là, c'est des produits qui sont fabriqués à partir des bidons de gasoline. Ça que nous appelons les oil drums. J'ai des produits que nous avons gagnés. Que un grand maître, c'était un ancien forgeron qui était le Georges Lyoto. C'est lui qui a commencé avec genre d'activité ça. Moi, j'ai eu chance de l'école quand petit Georges Lyoto qui était André Lyoto que depuis l'enfance point que j'étais habitué ouais forme d'art ça. Produit nous vendent dans toute grande galerie qui gagne sur les États-Unis.
Magasin spécifique là, c'est Macy's, Anthropologie et puis West Elm.
Malgré toute bagaille, non la pire, nous continuons à faire.